Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the measuring cup on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. The measuring cup can be either used to measure something. You can see it has those lines with milliliters and it marks 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. And you could use it to measure something precisely. Like, for example, some oil, some other liquids, or some powders that you would like to add in those volumes. Or you could also use it to cover the top of the lid. Now, the lid can be uncovered, but only for lower speeds, 1, 2, or 3. For higher speeds, it should be covered to prevent splashes. Also, if you're using the temperature heating, you should also cover it. So in order to do it, you just insert it and twist it clockwise. To remove it, twist it counterclockwise and remove it. So that's how you can do it. Now it is covered, so it won't splash. And that is basically how you can use it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.